What is going on, all my squirrely imagineers? Welcome back to another video on Skylanders Imaginators. So today, I will be playing as the Imaginator I created in the last episode. Me. Yep, me. Okay. I think I have some new powers unlocked. Elemental power. Press A for powerful explosion. Yep. That was it? Okay. Let's see. So we need to go up here, press the button, click on this, and let it bring us up here. We gotta eat that. Yeah. Hiya. Ah! Fell. Okay. Yeah. Oh, it's the wrong way. I gotta go this way. No, I mean, I'm trying. Yeah! Okay, actually, I did some more things on this guy, like, after I sent him out. So I'm resend him out. Hopefully you got him. He might have not been ready, so I'll do a countdown. I'm sending him in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, hopefully you got all of his new things. Let's play. We're gonna push it this way, and then this way, and then this way, and then that way, and then push it that way.
Smash it! Now, pop the next shell in and we should just about be ready for some blood.
Yep. Okay. So this is actually like where I stopped last video. I didn't do this one. Well, you know, whatever. I just put the video in a little bit early. Wow. Yeah. I love my character. He's like so good. Wait, let me try his name.
In your face.
Oh, that's cool. In your face. He's like, in your face. And then we gotta push this. Yeah!
Now just come out on deck and observe the fruits of your labor.
What? Okay, right now is a good time. Hold on, guys. I'm back. I have some chests to open. Yes, I got Dr. Crankcase's Sensei Shrine off camera. So let's see what I get from his. Excuse me, I'm getting kind of sick. Ooh, I'm gonna put that on my guy right now. So I'm getting kind of sick.
Think you can improve on this? Hey, be my
So,
guest.
weapon. 50 attack, 15 armor. Yes, please. And they look cool too.
So he's back in action. All right.
Yeah.
Cover your ears, Skylander. If you
Okay. Yes.
Well, that worked quite nicely, didn't it? Now we just need to remove all the clamps before this ship is ready to set sail again.
Okay. Never mind. I'm not gonna do that. Never mind. Mash, 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 mash! Mash the bananas! Ugh.
Break on
It was
through.
hard to do that one.
So, I was hoping for a fight.
Let's try my new move. Yeah! A jetpack, I need you right here! Yeah! I like this move a lot. So they're coming to attack me, they die before they even get there. It's weird. Okay. Another chest. Epic. Ooh.
New shoulder
Ooh.
guards.
Second
Set
bleed.
complete.
What do I get? Oh,
Just
yeah.
keep getting better and better.
Skylander,
Let's see that. Gear. Backpack. What is this? 15 armor, 15 luck, and this gives 15 speed, 15 luck. I like when I have on good, better. Headgear, I have new headgear. 50 luck, and this gives 15 luck. I'm gonna wear Dr. Crankcase's hat, because that's like, I really like that one. 25 armor or 5 armor. 25 armor, obviously. Let's see. Arm guards, nah, that's fine. That's all fine. But I think I have some new body parts actually. I got off camera. I don't know. You know what head I really want to find though? Where is it? Let's wait for this to load in. This head. The banana head, like Psy from, or C4. Yeah, everything's fine.
this way.
Wait, there was something
Somebody
new.
called right now.
Personality. Whoops, wrong thing. Personality, voice.
Shiny fruit.
I don't have a new voice. No, do I have a new voice? I don't think so. I might. No, I don't. I don't know. Okay. Since I added some new parts, I'm going to retype them out in 3, 2, wait. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, hopefully you got him. Let's see why, mash, 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 why, the bananas. Oh, that's cool.
Almost got it. Just one more.
Wait, what? I want to get up here. Yeah, I got the banana. No, that was a hamburger, not a banana. See? That's right. Oh, we got out. Never mind. I'm gonna kill it! Yep, that's right. Mash, 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 mash the bananas!
Doors blown open, clamps removed. I suppose all that's left to do now is head to the bridge and fly this ship out of here. Oh yes, and suppose it goes without saying that I would still very much like to find my lunch at some point too.
need to press the button again. Yeah. I got on it just in time. We have to go in here? Yeah, I think so. Yep.
Okay, Skylander.
Oh, I
get to
do.
the main
No,
tower there
no,
and
it's
regain
not. I
control
do
of the
land
ship.
in here. I
Me,
think so.
I'll be down in the gap, taking back what's mine.
Okay. Oh, there's a new lander here.
Sky users, I don't know what you fools are trying to accomplish by taking back this stupid battleship. But in any case, I summoned the Purple Doomlander Knight of Cataclysm!
Did he just say
I was going to
purple?
say Doom, didn't you?
Did you say purple or perfect? I think you said purple.
Doomlander, Night Class.
Night.
Party with my wrath!
What? Party with my wrath. Party with my wrath.
And my Doomlanders!
Good.
I mean, never mind.
You've knocked off a path.
Well, I would normally be extremely angry at you Sky Lamos for busting up my Doomlander. I'm not. Because this time, I've got a little trick up my sleeve.
Cool.
Nighty night!
Now you're in for it, Skylander!
Night Doomlander! Slice this ridiculous Sky Loser!
No, I'm losing health.
You've knocked off some of its gear.
Yeah.
I'm starting to get really annoyed here, but hey, this is me, the new Chaos. Being a lot more chill about everything and cranking this Doom Loser's muscles up to 11!
Wow.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling the burn!
You know what would make this battle a lot more fun?
Ooh.
Balls.
He's hurting his own guy.
Shiver me timbers! Oh! Doomlander
Yep.
defeated. Level up.
Mm-hmm. Last
I'm
thing
not
right.
going to lie here. That sucked. But this Doom Flounder was merely an appetizer. Something to distract you while the main course continues to destroy your precious Skylands. Good luck dealing with that.
Yep, the guacamole monster. That guacamole. Let's see.
New Knight's secret technique.
Mighty cleave. Okay, cool.
New catchphrase.
Party with
New catchphrase.
my wrath.
New leg guards.
Ooh, cool. 30 speed.
New headgear.
Wow. Doom Knight Helm. Cool.
New night weapon.
Look, gear, headgear. No, this is way better. Who's the leg guards? 20 speed, 15 armor, 30 speed. Yep. Yes, please. Wait. Look, gear, backpack. 15 speed, 25 speed, 25 luck, obviously. Yes. Ooh, that is an awesome color. I like how it like goes into it.
Well, Skylander, we did it. While my lunch still remains at large, the battleship is under our control again.
Yay.
I think it's ready to take on Chaos's latest monstrosity. Let us set sail for this beast. Tally ho!
Level complete.
Ah, wow, I missed a lot. I missed the battle ball? What? I only got one chest. That's not nice. Well, I mean, to be fair, I did do very badly. Well, you barely got anything.
According to the battleship's guacamole detecting radar, we've
Wow.
tracked that guacamole monster here to this strange island. Wonder what kind of unspeakable acts he could be up to.
Guacamole detecting thing. Wow.
It's a salsa island! Sure, I don't have to tell you about the awesome power of combining salsa and guacamole. We need to stop
I'm gonna
this
try that
guy
next time I
fast.
go to a Mexican restaurant.
Okay, Skylander, you're going to need to steer this battleship around and blast that guacamole monster with our cannons. If you want to change direction, use our handy-dandy direction changing button. Evasive action!
Yeah. No. I wish I had a Skylander that had that much health. 4 million. No.
We've been hit! We've been hit!
41,849. Yep.
Heads up! I say, he's an angry guacamole monster, isn't he?
Oh, gotta turn back around. Yep. He's almost
Don't
dead.
too many more of those, Skylander. Ha! Not so tough now, are you, Quacky?
Oh my god, they're so tiny.
That other guacamole monster was merely an appetizer. There's the main course. I definitely don't need to tell you that this is bad, Sky.
Oh, I didn't mean to skip it.
Quickly, shoot his arm!
I'm killing!
Shooting those salsa bats causes a big explosion that may damage the guacamole monster if he's near.
Yeah, I defeated one.
He'll sink our battleship if we keep getting hit.
Yeah! Kill! Oh, the hand's over here! But it's gone!
Guacamole arm is vulnerable now. Shoot it!
Okay, I'm hit. No! 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 Is it gonna be up here? Yep, I knew it. It didn't hit me! I need to turn this way.
Watch out, Skylander!
Yep. Ooh, he's almost dead.
Ship repaired.
Yeah! You know it! It's almost dead.
That guacamole arm is just begging to be hit, Skylander.
It's almost dead. It's almost dead. Oh my god, just like one hit left. Yep. Oh no! The mother of guacamole monsters!
The heck?
The mother of guacamole monsters!
Shields up! No, wait, there are no shields. Uh-oh.
Wow! There is no shields. There are no shields. That makes no sense. Every battleship should have a shield.
We've been hit! We've been hit!
Yeah, we're getting hit a lot. Don't you realize that? You'll never get me! I think I'm gonna lose. Yep, I'm gonna lose.
Coming!
It's almost dead! Almost! So close!
Don't take too many more of those, Skylander.
Yeah! Uh-huh.
I must say, as hungry as I still am, I shall be eating guacamole for quite some time. Certainly happy to see another one of Chaos's beasties go down, though.
Yep.
In fact, I hope historians one day write about our momentous victory over the guacamole monster. But for now, let us head back to the MAP.
Yeah. How long has this video been? Oh, wow. Longer than I thought it would have been. So, yeah. Oh, cutscene.
My ultimate Doomlander painting! How can this be? Stupid brain! This is all your stupid fault! What?
I'm the smartest, most powerful brain in the known universe.
Who said that?
Who else? There's only one smartest, most powerful brain in the known universe last time I checked. And believe me,
Brain? Is that you?
ta-da! That's right. I'm in your bird now. I noticed that his mind was quite easy to infiltrate. But getting ahead of this depth perception thing is a different story.
Yes, well, speaking of short-sightedness, Brain, those stupid Skylanders defeated my supposedly ultimate Doomlander! Hope you're happy.
Look, how? It's not my fault you thought about guacamole during the all-important creation process. But hey, if you want something else, no problem. You just need to be more specific.
Fine. How about this for specific? My Doomlanders are utterly feeble. What they need to be is awesomely fearsome. Like some sort of awesomely fierce thing. Get me, Brain?
Yeah, you're not giving me a lot to go on, but I've got just the thing. Presto Braino!
Presto Braino!
Are you all right, Lord Chaos?
I'm fine. There's been a change of plans. We're going to the soda factory. It's time to unleash the beast!
Yes, indeed. That'll be the last time a giant monster made entirely of guacamole messes with us.
To be honest, I still can't believe there was even a first time.
Hey, guys! Guess what? Fizzland is under attack!
Fizzland? Is that really a thing?
Yeah, it's where all my magic potions get made. We also have a farmer's market there every Sunday. Although I probably wouldn't recommend it.
Okay, Skylander.
So
you
if I
wanna
play
go
this
talk
on
to Fizz and check this
Sunday,
out. We'll try to figure out what Chaos
if I
is
play
up to
this on
next.
a Sunday, then can I go to the farmer's market?
Oh yeah, tell me about the guacamole box.
Okay, let's see where this leads to. Where are we supposed to go with this?
You
where are we
first,
supposed to
Skylander.
go? Oh, down here. Oh my god, look how fast I'm like. Whoa! There's a chest in here. But there's a bunch of things attacking me. What'd I get? Common.
New aura.
Glow bug, cool. Okay, I don't have to be in here anymore. So yeah.
Sensei Dark
Dark
Realm
Realm
discovered.
Okay, so that is going to be the end of this video, episode, video, whatever you want to call it. So remember, leave a like, subscribe, keep it cracking.